Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors Back Porch Edition. I know. Just got off work, guys. Getting ready to cook dinner, or have dinner. And got an idea. Hope you've seen my previous videos of the DIY MREs for under $10. Well, started thinking about it, and back in the day, you didn't have a lot of options when it come to backpack food and stuff like that. And the options you did have were outrageously expensive. This video, I'm going to show you some entree alternatives that are pretty damn tasty. So, get ready. I think you'll find this one pretty interesting, guys. Stick around. Alright, let's start with the most important ingredient to any MRE. Hydration. I'm just playing with you. But that is important. Hydration, that is. So, okay, like I said, back when I was growing up, we didn't have the options that everyone has today. We had beans, canned chili, cup of noodles, the different ramen noodles. That's what we had. Peanut butter jelly sandwiches, stuff like that. Excuse me. Nowhere near the options that you have today. Now, as I've said before, the backpacking dehydrated food gets very expensive. I mean, a 2-serving bag, Mountain House and stuff like that, running about $8 to $9. You've seen the Chef 5-minute meal, 2 wraps for $10. I'm going to show you a few options that you can put in your kit, in your MRE, in your backpack, to give you something a little more tasty. Some of these things are high in protein. Of course, everything's high in sodium, because the preservatives and stuff like that. But there are still some pretty tasty options in here that you can use. And for the most part, you can eat them right out of their original package. You don't have to heat them up. Of course, they taste better heated up. Some of them do. But you can eat them how they are. Some of them, you need water. These Coors rice, flavored rice. You need, 2 cups of water for this. So there's 2 cups of water out of your supply for that. And of course your ramen noodles, you're going to need at least a cup, half a cup for those. You got stuff like this, peppered sawmill gravy. 1 3/4 cup for this. But hey, that's great breakfast gravy, for in the morning when you wake up and stuff. Now let's get into something a little different, okay? You know about these guys. Just about every kit that you see, somebody's throwing a packet of tuna or a packet of chicken, something like that in their pack. It's good protein. It's a good on-the-go meal or snack with some crackers. Throw some mayonnaise in there, a couple packets of mayonnaise in there, and you got your good tuna salad with some crackers and stuff like that. Makes a great little snack. Or throw you some tortillas in there and you got you some wraps. That's fine too. Get you the chicken packets or the tuna packets like this. Got you this Ben's Original rice. You can eat this right out of the bag, but it is better with about a 1/4 of a cup, if that, of water put in here. Bring it to, heat it up. It's intended for the microwave, but you can heat this up. I've done it. You've seen a couple of my videos where I mix this with chunky gumbo. Oh man, it is delicious, guys. You could try that one as well. Like I said, another great option. And you're looking at $2. These Coors rice packs, they're $1, $1. And of course, ramen noodles. You could buy a whole freaking case of them for $3. So now we're going to get into something that's just a little more pricey, Not much at all, but still very good. Now, two of these really surprised me. We're going to save the best for last. Let's go ahead and hydrate real quick, guys. Boom. Man, you know I love my Dinty Moore beef stew. Ready in 60 seconds in the microwave. No, you ain't got one of those in your backpack. Or you got your little Coleman stove or whatever stove that you're using, your rocket stove. Heat this up real quick. Boom, nice hearty beef stew, man. That is delicious right there. Got you some white rice to go with it or mashed taters. You're good to go. Boom. Chicken Alfredo. Now these Hormel meals, they've got all different flavors. They got all kinds you can choose from. Nice thing about these as well, another 1 year shelf life. This one's almost 2 years right here. But 1 year shelf life on these things, guys. And they're, 350 calories. They, get you some calories. Got your chicken, your pasta, your sauce. And like I said, just take this, dump it in your mess kit, your nesting cup, whatever. Heat it up with your little stove or over a fire. Eat it, get it nice and hot, very tasty, or eat it like it is. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna heat it up. That's just me. Now these other two really surprised me. Like I said, you can carry canned goods if you want, depending on how you're camping. If you're doing a backpacking or you hike in, you want lightweight. If you're camping out of the back of your truck, back of your car, this stuff like this right here will be fine. But like if you're making a little MRE, something that you can just throw in your pack, hike out somewhere for the day, for the night, whatever, and have something good to eat. You want lightweight, you want compact, and all that stuff. And all these other options are that. So is this. Coincidence. This is sheer coincidence. And I literally just thought about it. Today is Tuesday. You know what that means. That's right, guys. It's Taco Tuesday. Beef taco filling. Fully cooked, ready to eat, seasoned ground beef. Now, this is about $4. There is enough in here to do la 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 la. It says serving size is 1/3 cup, and there's 3 servings per container. So there's enough in here to do 3 tacos, guys. Who the hell don't love tacos? Come on, guys. Taco Tuesday on Saturday nights, that's fine too. I thought this was pretty dang cool. This is one of those, again, that I would heat up. That's just me. But it can be eaten straight out the pack. That was pretty cool. And this last one is actually one of my favorites from childhood. And I couldn't believe it when I found it packaged this way. So I jumped on it. It's another throw it in the microwave for 1 minute and it's ready to eat. Throw it in your nesting cup, hook it up, heat it up, it's ready to eat. Eat it out of the pack. It doesn't matter. Beef ravioli, guys. Are you kidding me? Ravioli, tomato, basil, cheese ravioli, and a tomato basil sauce. Okay, there's no beef in it, but it's a cheese ravioli. Who cares? That is a very tasty option compared to the alternative. I mean, come on, man. Ravioli, yes. Again, about $4. And again, there's a bunch of different options with this one as well. They had a few different options with this one. Just like this one here. They had some of that plant-based stuff as well. They also had meatballs. They had shredded meat and shredded beef and stuff like that as well with this right here. About $4 a pack. I guarantee you this right here or this right here is going to fill you up. That is a great alternative to beanie weenies, oodle noodles, ramen noodles, cup of noodles, whatever the hell you want to call them. That's even a better alternative over the tuna packets if you ask me. because this right here is something good. I mean, they're all pretty decent. But do me a favor real quick. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification. That way you're made aware next time one of my cool videos drop. Check us out on Facebook, TikTok, and I keep forgetting Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. There we go. Go check us out over there. I hope you enjoyed this little quick alternative entree DIY MRE entree alternative options. There are many, many more than this right here, guys. It just depends on what you like. You can go out and you can buy these Mountain House and these Ready Wise and all these other freeze-dried foods that give you, that's basically limited to what they provide for you. If you don't like something that's in it, you're pretty much stuck with it anyway. You can go out and buy you these cases of MREs and get what's in it, or you can build your own, make it your own, and put in there what you like to eat. That way you don't have to worry about wasting. You don't have to worry about, oh man, I got fettuccine again. Oh, I got stew beef. You're going to make what you want, and that way you know what you're eating. That's pretty much it, guys. Make it your own. That way you're never disappointed. Be safe. God bless. And get outside, people.